I'm here at Monte Sereno taking some pictures of the mountains because yesterday we had a snow and it was just beautiful, and today the sky is sunny and blue and the mountains are beautiful. And I'm looking out there to the Badlands, as they're called. And now I'm going to turn and we're going to see the Sangre de Cristo Mountains, the southern tip of the Rockies. And it's a beautiful day. The first peak you see is over 13,000 feet.